switch statement. We use if when we have two options in front of us. But if we have more than two options and for each option we have to give a different set of commands, then we make use of switch. Imagine that there is an election being conducted in your area and you want to write a program which will register your vote and give you the results as soon as the election is over. The program will look like this. Program for conducting elections. Cout welcome to class elections \n terminator. Cout to vote for Abhay, press 1 \n terminator. Cout to vote for Kusum, press 2 \n terminator. Cout to vote for Ahmad, press 3 \n terminator. Integer I votes for Abhay, votes for Kusum, votes for Ahmad, terminator. Votes for Abhay is equal to 0, terminator. Votes for Kusum is equal to 0, terminator. Votes for Ahmad is equal to 0, terminator. For bracket open integer j is equal to 1, j less than is equal to 10, j plus plus bracket closed, curly bracket open. Cout, please enter your vote \n terminator. Cin I terminator. Switch bracket open I bracket closed, curly bracket open. Case 1 colon votes for Abhay plus plus terminator, break terminator. Case 2 colon votes for Kusum plus plus terminator, break terminator. Case 3 colon votes for Ahmad plus plus terminator, break terminator. Default colon. Cout, you have selected an invalid option, terminator, curly bracket closed, curly bracket closed. Cout \n number of votes received by Abhay, colon, votes for Abhay, terminator. Cout \n number of votes received by Kusum, colon, votes for Kusum, terminator. Cout \n number of votes received by Ahmad, colon, votes for Ahmad, terminator. Get character, terminator, curly bracket closed. Now let us see what we have done in this program in detail. When the program starts, we show the user the names of the candidates and the number associated with them. They need to press the number associated with their chosen candidate to vote for them. We have then created a variable I to note the choice of the user and a variable associated with each candidate to track the votes received by them. The variables associated with the candidates are initialized to 0 as they have not received any votes yet. After this, we have written a loop which will run 10 times. This means that it will register 10 votes, which in turn means that we have assumed that there are 10 voters. After this, we ask the user to register their vote. After the user votes, we have made use of switch. Each option in switch is known as case. When we give the command switch I, the computer checks the value of I. We have to create a case for each expected value of I. When we say case 1, it means the commands below are the ones to be executed when the value of I is 1. If the user has entered 1, then in case 1, we are increasing the number of votes for Abhay by 1. If the user has entered 2, then the number of votes for Kusum is increased by 1. And if the user has entered 3, then the number of votes for Ahmad will be increased by 1. If the voter enters something other than 1, 2, or 3, then the code written in the default section will get executed and the user will be informed that you have chosen an invalid option. You will notice that in each case, the last line written is break. If we do not write break, then the code written in the next case will also be executed. Break informs the computer that whatever needed to be done in the current case is now complete and the code written after the switch statement needs to be executed. After the for loop is complete, we are displaying the number of votes obtained by each candidate and ending the program. If we do not know the number of voters, the same program can be written making use of while loop. Character are there more voters is equal to y terminator, while bracket open are there more voters is equal to y bracket closed, curly bracket open, double front slash code for registering vote and switch statement C out. Are there any more voters? Y front slash in terminator, C in. Are there more voters? Terminator, curly bracket closed.